Sealife Centre, and they've done this up. This is one of the otters enclosures, and I can't see any otters. But they've done it really nice though, haven't they? Which way to go in now? So we're coming in here, off to see the fishes. Oh, that goes, whoa. Off to see the fishes. Oh, there are the fishes. Right there. That is a huge fish, I'm telling you. Whoa. Whoa. We're in this section, the coastline in a minute. Some fishes in here. The one in the corner. We're now at sea urchins and other fish in here. Sea urchins right out there. We can zoom in and have a look at that. If it zooms in, that's it. There we are. We have some seahorses. I think they're feeding there at the moment, these seahorses. It's the closest you can get. Oh, there's one here, there's one swimming.
Right, look at the sign, look for the sign and then you can copy. Yeah?
Glow in the dark fish. That's what they are. Glow in the dark. Look at that. Glow in the dark fish. Oh, that's so cool. There we have some starfish. They're right close up starfish. Look at that. There are tentacles. How detailed these. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pretty epic though. There are all these different fish, butterfish, quite a range. Yeah, they're quite nice. Yeah, butterfish, butter. Wow. Dory entrance. Wrangle tang. They're actually called wrangle tangs. So you know what they are. Shrimp fish, you think, why are they swimming that way? That's the way they swim. They're a bit bizarre, to be honest. And Bengal cardinal fish are these ones here. But this shrimp fish, you said, look. And that's a shrimp, that's an actual shrimp. Another shrimp. There's some more fish. They're beautiful, they're so beautiful. Now some Nemos. Lots of Nemos. You don't see every day. They're cleaning the tank. This is a new thing. You wonder how it gets cleaned. And this is how they clean it. So you know. Filter in the tank. Oh yeah. It's interesting to know how they do it though. Interesting. They're complete. I love this section. It's very tropical light. Oh! Zoomed across very fast then, I saw that. Oops. Going across to the piranhas in a minute. Yeah. Oh, tropical area. The tiny fish. Yeah, I like that. That's kind of cool. Get to the animals in a minute. I love this section. It's kind of cool actually. Look. That's kind of piranhas. They've only got one thing on their mind, don't they? They follow you. Yeah. Look at that one right there. Look. He's got one thing on his mouth. What are you doing? They're hungry. Always hungry, aren't they? In the monkey zone now. Monkey zone. It's on a lunch break apparently. He's eating just down there. See them? They turn on it. They turn their backs. Right, there's one further to the back. It's over there. They're just chilling at the moment. They're not doing anything really. They were earlier on, and then it wasn't. We're just having a lazy day today. Oh. Done it on purpose, isn't it? So to get the camera out. You're so used to it, the camera now. Yeah, when the camera's a bit of an argument there. I had a bit of an argument. I got that on camera. Yeah? What are you up to? What's he doing? What's he doing?
Winking you.
What's that, mate? Do your eyebrow thing. Do your eyebrow thing. He's done it again. He's just going to do the eyebrow thing again. Do it again. Come on, mate, do it again. He's just seeing the carrot. Do it, your eyebrows. What's he found? Days off. Side time. Jurassic Park. Triceratops. Are you gonna put for the bushes, not for the dinosaurs? Oh, dinosaurs! Oh! Isn't it? Don't way. Watch out for the dinosaurs, Mum, yeah? Chill. Watch yourself. Right, it's right in the bushes there. I see you. T-Rex. T-Rex, don't move. Stay still. Freaking everywhere. Whoa. Give you the fright. Size of that. The size of the insects back then. T-Rex. The raptors. My favourite dinosaur. Fly right up there. It's a huge one, it's not a small one. It's very huge. Croc. Mr. Croc chilling.
So next time you come back and see these guys, they might be having something completely different. We do a big mixture for them just to make sure they've got loads and loads of different foods to eat as well. So with our meerkats, we actually do feed them 3 times every day. So we feed them in the morning, they get a lovely plate of fruit and veg, make sure to keep their diet nice and balanced for them. They get fed
no, they're not allowed sweeties, darling.
And then obviously they have their feeds now, which is where
they're looking for their food.
Mealworms. So when we do feed our meerkats, we do a couple of different things with them.
Their phrase, yes.
It's for all the different types of food that we've got for them as well. And that thing is called enrichment. So has anyone here heard of enrichment before? Yes. Yeah, lovely. You've heard of enrichment before? You guys have? Lovely. So basically, what enrichment is it means our animals are getting their brains working. They're going to have to actually figure out how to get the food. They're getting their exercise. It makes you chuck them all out. They are live locusts. They're jumping around, they're running around, and our meerkats are going to actually have to run and actively hunt for them. Which is what we do in the wild, and that's exactly why it's one of my favourite types of enrichment for them as well. They crawl in, try and get food out like that. And we do have loads and loads of toys for our meerkats. They're probably the most spoiled enrichment-wise because we have a huge cupboard full of toys just for them, just for their enrichment. So
he's on the move. He's having a think.
These guys are protected, so they have a very important job. Because if they see food, then they can choose things really big. Let's go out and go next time.
Hiya, look in there. There's two in there. There's more in there, look. One there.
Fish hospital. Care unit. We look after the fishes when they're not well. So we've got special equipment to look after the fishes. Quite fascinating. All the equipment's having it just to look after the fish. In time.
It's okay.
Dinner time. Good.
Used to the warm climates, obviously it's not so warm here, but they don't need any ice or snow. Perfect. So as you can see, these penguins have white stomachs and black backs. That is called counter shading. So that when they're swimming through the water, looking for food, if they're being approached by a predator, if the predators blow them and look up at them, they can't see them because their white stomach blends in with the bright sunny sky. And then if like a bird is flying, like a fish is flying above them, a predator, and looks down, they can't see them because their black backs blend in with the ocean floor. So another thing about the habitat here, they have the white boxes on the side. Obviously these won't be in their natural habitat. These are where we have their houses. In their natural habitat in South America, they make their houses out of something called guano. Does anyone know what guano is at all? Anyone know what guano is? No, not an iguana, guano. It's what they build their houses with. Does anyone know what it is at all? I'm guessing it's their bedding. No, it's where they do sleep, yes, but guano is actually their poo. So these creatures will build their houses with their own poo. And while I'm doing this, while they're being fed, you probably will see them poo. They do poo every 20 minutes. The fun gross little fact for you, they do it every 20 minutes. And then when they're swimming in the water, they can swim for up to 30 miles an hour and also hold their breath for quite long as well. So going with the identification question I got for my talk, there's no tags to identify them because as you can see they all have different spot patterns on their stomachs. That's the way we identify them. And also our youngest, all of them have red eyes except our youngest penguin who has Aquila who has grey eyes. So another way to identify them. Perfect. I think that's everything I have for you guys today. If you have any other questions, my name's Penny, like I said.
Comes a shark.
That's a leopard short.
Oh, cool. Shark. And treasure underneath. Our pirates. See that shark? It's going to come back, it's going to come back. Get another beautiful view of it. Look at that. How beautiful that is. View from the top. And there's a view for the shark. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes the shark. There we are. Look, it's underwater. There he is. How beautiful that is. Let's get a view of him under the water now. Shark from under the water. It's going to come past us here in a minute. There it comes. There it comes. And there it is. Oh, look at that. How beautiful that is. Let's get a close-up shot. The tank now. There's that we're inside it. So, here comes the shark. Here we are. Look at this. Look at this. How beautiful that is. Awesome. That room where all the fishes are, and we're in here now. The appreciating these fish. And there's pufferfish somewhere. Pufferfish, where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, it's over here. That's it. Pufferfish. It's adorable, isn't it? It's adorable. What fish is that? That's unusual. What's that?
What do we say? Do we say look at mummy, see your teeth?
Waiting for a stingray to come past.
Oh, what's that one?
Here we are, here we are, here we are. Timed it right.
Wow.
That is so cool. Keep filming and hope for the best, you know. The fish. There's a stingray.
Look, here comes the big one. There's a big one. There's a
We're in
big
a tunnel.
fishy.
We're in a tunnel.
There's a big one. Spotty fishy.
What's that kind of fish? Have you seen that?
Fishy.
Silverfishy.
Oh, another one. Leopard. That one there.
What's that one?
This one.
Is it? It's
Yeah.
called bot, is it?
That's big, isn't it? Nice stingray.
Hello, Bob. Big one.
Wow. You enjoyed your visit. Aquarium. See a little bit more, I think, and that's it.
Because that one is
This is pretty epic, though.
at the end. Look,
We've come from the tunnel, and we're here in the last bit. We've got about the history about the Kraken. We've got mermaids, the King Neptune, little history. I'm going to take a photo of these and I'll put them on my community page on YouTube, so you can have a look. Have a read. This part of the tank where it's big. I mean, timed it right with the shark and the stingrays. Like that. That's it for the aquarium. It's technically called Sea Life Adventure. Here. Not part zoo. Until next time.